Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the center caps on this BMW 320 diesel. As you can see, the condition of the old center caps, they are really bad. Right, so the size of this center cap is 68mm and we're going to be changing all four of them. So just going to show you the condition of all four center caps. Okay, they look really bad. There we go. Okay, right, so we've got the replacement part here, four of them. Okay, these are the aftermarket product. We got these for £25, four caps for £25. Okay, there are cheaper versions on eBay as well, but I preferred a better quality. Okay, so we're just gonna replace these, and for that all we need is a flathead screwdriver to take the old ones off. Okay, that's one off. The second one. There we go. The third one. There we go. And the fourth one here. Okay, that's all four caps out of the way. Okay, so these new ones got the protected film on them, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep them on. Right, there we go. So it's push fit caps. There we go, that's how it fits in. That's one. There we go. Second one. The third one. And the fourth one. There we go, friends. Nice and easy. It's gonna make a huge difference to the look of the wheels and image of the car. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.